Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Anisha Junejo and you are watching interview series The History Corner. The guest today we have is a brilliant personality and as well as an intellectual student who has done his graduation in Department of History from Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad, is being the topper of department. Not only this, but he has remained the president of History Society in Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad for the years of 2023 as well as 2024. So without any further ado, let's welcome Mr. Ali Yasin Khan. Assalamu alaikum Ali Yasin, welcome to the session.
वालेकुम सलाम and thank you for having me.
जी अली यासीन, सबसे पहले तो हमें ये बताइएगा कि कौन सी ऐसी चीज थी while your learning phase of history कि जिसने आपको इंस्पायर किया और इसको एंड तक परस्यू करने में मोटिवेटेड रखा.
Okay, so inspiration of me, you know, I right from my childhood, right from the beginning, I had this affection and love with the history, what the history would tell us, you know, historical stories and events and all these things. So my immense affection and love with this field of history was a source of inspiration, and also it kept me motivated in this 4 years journey. And of course, my family background, you know, all of them, getting educated and inspiring me all the times to get to read books or, you know, to get education. All these things kept me motivated and also inspired.
यासीन खान, ये बताइएगा कि ये डिपार्टमेंट जो है आपको फर्स्ट लिस्ट में ही अलॉट हो गया था या नहीं, और इसके अलावा दूसरी कौन सी चॉइसेस थी जो वाइल सिलेक्शन आपने इनलिस्ट की थी?
Well, history was my only choice, and I came to the Department of History by choice, and I also had only applied for history, and also thankfully I got it with history and
अच्छा, ये तो आपने बताया कि किस तरह से जो है आपने ये फील्ड ने आपको इंस्पायर किया और आपने परस्यू करने का सोचा, वाइल सिलेक्शन क्या प्रोसेस रहा. हमें जरा बताइए आपके फर्स्ट डे के बारे में. हाउ वाज योर फर्स्ट डे इन द डिपार्टमेंट? डिड यू गिव द ओरिएंटेशन और नॉट? शेयर सच एक्सपीरियंस.
Well, I vividly remember my first day at the Department of History. We had our first class of computer science, and then followed by history of South Asian class, and that whole week was of orientation, of getting interactive with the teachers, with each other as students of that batch, getting introduced to the curriculum, to the syllabus, and you know, that was a quite a remarkable and a memorable week that would remain with me in my past and memory, a good fond memory.
Ali Yasin, how did you adopted the curriculum of department as well as the teaching style of various teachers? Because ये जो है एक बहुत जो है थोड़ा सा bothering होता है और challenging होता है to understand the whole situation in initial days. So आप जब डिपार्टमेंट में गए तो स्टार्टिंग के डेज में किस तरह से जो है आपने ये चीजें जो है मैनेज की?
Yes, you're right. It was a very hard thing to get adjusted because Quaid-e-Azam University is number one university of Pakistan, and you know, people come from various backgrounds. So all the credit goes to the teachers, to the faculty, and to the Department of History to, you know, welcoming all and making students adjusted to the studies, to the environment. So all credit goes to them, and it takes time. But in the 4 years of your BS degree, you eventually evolve. You have to evolve with them. So things get easier with time, and you get adapted to all these things.
अच्छा अली यासीन खान, there is no doubt you are an intellectual person और इसी वजह से जो है आपने टॉप किया, लेकिन कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट्स को भी बॉदर कर रही होती हैं. तो आपके लिए कौन से ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स या टॉपिक्स थे which were bothering you or were challenging for you specifically?
Okay, so economics, I would say, because I despised this subject right from when it was taught in the metric and FSC. You know, I just did not like that subject, and same, it came in fourth semester to be more precise. and that was a challenging subject. In fact, uh, any other subject that was not related to history was challenging for me because my only interest lie in the subject of history. But if you have to rank among the others, economics stands out to be something that I didn't like in it.
अच्छा, ये आपने बताया कि ये बहुत जो है चैलेंजिंग आपके लिए रहे सब्जेक्ट्स सच एज इकोनॉमिक्स, लेकिन ये भी बताइएगा साथ में एज द लर्नर्स कैन गेट दिस थिंग कि फिर आपने इसको किस तरह से जो है ओवरकम किया?
Well, if you have a long term, goal of getting a degree of history, you have to deal with things accordingly. And one thing is for sure, you have to remain steadfast. You have to face things with courage and obstacles and all such hurdles with courage. And you have to keep working hard, and working hard with courage is the thing that will give you all the desired results. So for me, it was working hard, clearing my concepts, and remaining steadfast, facing things with courage, and all these things played its part in the greater run to get successful in my BS degree.
अच्छा अली यासीन, ये तो आपने बताया कि किस तरह से आपने करिकुलम अडॉप्ट किया, कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स या टॉपिक्स जो थे वो चैलेंजिंग रहे। इसके अलावा भी बहुत से जो हैं ऑब्स्टिकल्स और चैलेंजेस होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, स्पेसिफिकली इन यूनिवर्सिटी लाइफ, जो कि उन्हें बहुत जो है डिफ़िकल्टी दरपेश लाते हैं। तो आपके लिए वो कौन से ऑब्स्टिकल्स थे जो कि आपको एक्सेप्ट करने में डिफ़िकल्टी हुई?
Well, of course, obstacles were more, and for me, I'll tell you my story. I've been born and brought up in a very confined environment. So coming out of your comfort zone and getting into university's life, that too the center of Pakistan, the capital of Pakistan, where things are more fast as compared to the peripheries. Things were not easy. But as I told you, you have to evolve with time. So the 4 years journey evolves your personality, evolves you as a person. And it is only possible when you are having courage, when your temperament is strong, you're emotionally strong. So you have to face things with courage. And that is how I faced all the obstacles and all the hurdles in my entire journey.
अच्छा अली, एज आई ऑलरेडी मेंशन इन द इंट्रोडक्शन कि आप टॉपर भी रह चुके हैं, उसके साथ साथ जो है प्रेसिडेंट भी रह चुके हैं हिस्ट्री सोसाइटी के। तो ये दोनों चीज़ों को एक साथ मैनेज करना, द एकेडमिक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज विद द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ बीइंग अ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ हिस्ट्री सोसाइटी, ये किस तरह से जो था आपका मैनेजमेंट होती थी टाइम की, किस तरह से आप मैनेज करते थे? काइंडली शेयर विद द व्यूअर्स।
Yes, time management is a skill that you need to learn, and you need to draw a fine line between your studies and your co-curricular activities or social activities, if you will. So I had this in my mind, and I have this habit of finishing things on time. So be it my studies, be it my social life, be it my co-curricular activities. And when you finish things on time, you have this and you have this clarity of mind to I have to finish it off or to finish it on time. So that keeps you motivating, that keeps you working and achieving of what you are supposed to achieve. And so for me, it's trying to find line between your studies and these activities, and doing both of the things on time that will do the job for you.
ओके, एब्सोल्युटली। टाइम मैनेजमेंट आपने जो है एक स्किल से रिलेट किया है। कैन यू शेयर योर मोस्ट मेमोरेबल मेमोरी इन योर डिपार्टमेंट, इन योर यूनिवर्सिटी, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा नियर टू योर हार्ट हो?
There are many. So for example, I have received this departmental merit scholarship of what we call as the Wahid-uz-Zaman scholarship, merit scholarship. I've also received the class merit scholarship, but there are many other things as well. But one thing that stands out to be on top for me is getting selected as the president of History Society, and that too by Professor and Dr. Ilham Niaz, a person who I am inspired from a lot, whom I have learned from a lot, who have told us what history is, how to see things, how to, lots of things we have learned from him. Getting selected by him and getting even notified by him. That was a very huge achievement and a big achievement for me, if you would ask, in this entire journey.
अच्छा Ali Yasin, as an individual throughout our achievements or successes, बहुत सारे लोगों का जो है एक सिग्निफिकेंट रोल होता है हमारी लाइफ में। तो मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी कि आपकी लाइफ में कौन से ऐसे लोग थे जिन्होंने सिग्निफिकेंट रोल प्ले किया while you are learning phase, while your upbringing, in your educational background, if you can share.
Of course, many people play their role. Obviously, my parents in my upbringing phase, my family, and when I came to the university, my friends, and then the Department of History in particular, particularly the faculty, all of them had played their part in making me the successful man and completion of my degree. So to name few, Dr. Ilhan stands out to be from Dr. Me, Dr. Rabia. The same goes for Dr. Tanveer, Dr. Farooq, Dr. Aman, Dr. Misbah, Dr. Himayat. Each and every faculty member played their part in my journey through this 4 years of life in the Department of History. So I owe every bit of my success and every bit of my achievement to all of them.
ओके अली यासीन, शेयर कीजिएगा आपकी हॉस्टल लाइफ कैसी थी? रूममेट्स किस तरह के थे? विच काइंड ऑफ मेमोरीज यू बिल्ड देयर?
Hostel life was good. My roommates were also good. But the thing is that I spent very less hours in my hostel. So I would wake up early in the morning and get into the department. And till 3:30 we had classes. And from 3:30 or 4 onwards till 8:30 we used to sit at the central library. We call it as CL, and then we had some meal and food and dinner. And so my only hours that I spent in hostel was the sleeping hours. So I had very less memories in hostel because I used to spend a lot of my time outside my hostel or in the campus and not in the hostel. Even on the weekends, I used to trek on the Margalla Hills and exploring the natural beauty of the Margalla Hills and roaming in the campus. So all of my day used to be spent like this. So much more time to be spent in the campus than in the hostel. That is why no such memories, very few if you will, hostel life. But yeah, it was a good life. The roommates were also good.
Acha, Ali Yasin, can you share any valuable sight or any lesson which you learned by your department's experience?
Yes, of course. I've learned this thing of thinking in the long run, or at least trying to think in the long run. This is our shortcomings as human beings, as a species. We tend to think in the short run, be it from our personal lives or individually, if you will, or be it for any politician that would run the whole country generally. Ranging from top to bottom, we think in short run. And what it gives us is the disastrous results, because you need to analyze things, you need to be clear, you need to have clarity of thought and all these things, which is impossible in the short run. So at least trying to think in the long run will do the job for you, and that is the most valuable lesson that one could tell anyone.
ठीक है, अली यासीन ये बताइएगा कि फैमिली में सबसे ज्यादा किससे आप अटैच हैं? आपके फादर, मदर या एनी सिबलिंग?
For me, I have no siblings at all. I'm the only child of my parents. And with parents, I'm attached with both, but if I have to rank them in one and two, I'm more attached with my father and then with my mother. So, yes, more attached with my father.
ओके, अली यासीन ये बताइएगा कि फ्यूचर प्लान्स क्या हैं आपके? फ्यूचर गोल्स के बारे में आपने क्या सोचा है? एज वी ऑल नो यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर ग्रेजुएशन, लेकिन अब फ्यूचर के बारे में आपकी कौन सी जो है स्ट्रेटजीज हैं जिन पे आप काम करेंगे, ये काइंडली शेयर कीजिएगा।
Yes, I have a very simple goal in future to become a historian, to aspire, and I aspire to become a historian, to proceed and progress in this field of history. So, in near future, I'm planning to get admitted in the same department for an MPhil studies and proceed in this field of history and see what future holds for me. But for me, I'm very much clear I want to become a historian and contribute to the umbrella field of this history.
Okay, Ali Yasin, any message or any advice to your viewers which you want to give or share to them?
Of course, as I told you, thinking in the long run. So you need to think, at least try to think in the long run. And the approach should be that learn from the past, apply it in present, and yes, don't forget completely about the future, but do not get indulged so much in your future plans that you forget to invest in your present. Past is the only knowledgeable thing, present is not in your control. You cannot predict your future the way it has to be or the way it will be. So the only way out is draw lessons from the past, apply it in the present, and then it's natural thing that results and the outcome backed by your hard work and courage will be the desired results what you want to achieve in your life. So yes, that's my message for your viewers, to all of the history students, especially to the history student and all other students as well.
Such a beautiful message from your side. With this message, I would like to end this session. Thank you very much, Ali Yasin, for joining us and to be considerate, to be cooperative to us. Thank you very much once again. So viewers, today we had Mr. Ali Yasin Khan, an upcoming historian, and I hope you liked the session. Inshallah, we will meet again with a new guest, with a new topic on same platform. Till then, Allah Hafiz.